Hello guys, this is me Shinjin and welcome to our channel. So I'm very happy today. By the tagline and thumbnail you have already understood okay, the unboxing which I'm going to do, it's like uh, one of my fulfillment of one of my dreams, because like I said in the intro only, so I have received the parcel on Monday, but I just couldn't unbox it due to lack of time and all. So today I'm shooting it after 3 days, and finally in the midnight I'm shooting it, and I'll be unboxing and show it to you guys. Okay, what I have received and what's inside the box, and I have ordered it from Flipkart, Sony A7 Mark II. So let's get started. So I'm just opening the seal. I'm sure there will be another box inside, and I hope they did the packing well, because I have seen few feedbacks on Flipkart regarding the packing. Oh no, they have given the bubble wrap, so this is a good thing, and I guess I'll have to pull it out. Yes. So this is the unwrap it. So this is the bill, and you can see the price here. I don't know how they are giving, I don't know, I have no idea, but it's like some lottery for me. So I'll just remove the bubble wrap also, and now wow, they did the packing pretty well. So I guess there's a camera bag inside, so it's the camera bag. They didn't mention that they are giving it, but it's good that they gave me, and they got a camera bag. I don't know whether I'll use it or not, because I have my own camera bag, but in any ways it is good if you have it for any, like a secondary option. So this is the box of the camera, which says Sony A7 Mark II. Wow. Finally, yes, so this is the thing, and it says 64 GB memory card inside. Great. And 3 years of warranty, 2 years standard warranty, 1 year additional warranty only upon registration, and valid on A9, A7R3, A7 III, A7S2, A7R2 and A7 II, and it says conditions apply. I don't know what conditions, I'll check it tomorrow. So this is A7 Mark II with kit lens, you can see that. So in the picture, and the box says the MRP of 1,28,990. okay, the box is 1,28,990, but I didn't bought it for that price, almost half of, I bought it for almost half, so something to feel good about. And so this is the hallmark. Yeah. So 03 September 2019 accessories inside, it says. You can see the stamp that 3rd September 2019 accessories inside. I don't know, I guess they have repacked it according to the revised version of that. And here is the memory card. You can see 64 GB. It says SDXC1. Great. I'm really happy to get the memory card. So I already have 16 GB and a 32 GB, so it is always good to have another one. So this is the 3-year warranty. I don't know what it is, but something. So all the leaflets in Chinese and all, so not for my use. And this is the lens and accessories booklet, I guess, so I'll check that later. This is the instruction manual. I need to update the firmware, and for that I need this instruction manual because I don't know what firmware it's coming with, but in July Sony has released the latest firmware, which is 4.01. so I'll definitely install that, but before that I will check with the older firmware and then I'll upgrade it to the latest firmware. So, and this is the charging cable, and okay, this camera doesn't have any external charging desk, so you'll have to buy it separately. And this is the shoulder band, so which I never use in any of my camera. I never did. And first I'll check the lens, kit lens. So it comes with a kit lens and with an interesting focal length, like 28-70mm, because 28-75 Tamron glass is very good, but this is 28-70, but that Tamron glass is like fixed aperture of 2.8, but this one comes with a variable aperture which is 3.5 to 5.6, and it has an optical steady shot. So, but the camera itself has a sensor shift 5-axis stabilization, so it should come handy for if you adapt any other lenses which you already have, like Canon lenses, which I will definitely use my 100mm prime L prime lens. With this I'll definitely go for an adapter, which is I think I will go for the Sigma MC11 adapter, and this is the lens hood. So this is basically the thing which I'm actually waiting for, and by the weight it feels sturdy and pretty nice. It's heavy and the build quality seems pretty nice, and yes. So this will be my first mirrorless camera. I have never used a camera with an EVF, so I don't know what will be my experience, but it should be good. And by holding it only, I'm feeling, I don't know, I cannot tell you guys, I cannot make you understand that how happy I'm feeling that finally I have a full frame camera. And I'll show you guys because of what reason I actually bought this camera lies inside this cap. So you can see this is basically the 35mm full frame sensor, CMOS sensor of 24 megapixel, and this is the reason why I actually bought this camera. So I'm really very happy, and nothing to say that how much about the, I don't know how, nothing to say about the battery backup. As you guys already know, okay, A7 Mark II battery backup is not so good, so I'll have to buy the adapter and few extra batteries also. So okay, so wow, this is the charging cable. Okay, let me see what it is. So I'll just put it here, and so this is the AC adapter for charging, I guess, so which is good. So it comes with an external charging, I guess. So they have included in their recent current packaging, because by the stamp only I can understand, because previously they didn't give this. This is the first time I'm seeing an A7 II with this charger, external charger, which is good. I definitely need it. And this is the charging cable, and this is the cable for the external charger, and this is the battery which I'll have to pick few more. So this is FW50, so it really has a pretty worse battery backup of in this A7 lineup. So I'll have to buy few more, maybe at least couple of two. So so definitely I'll get it, but I'll put it inside and switch it on, just to check the firmware. I'll put it on. Yeah, so finally, so I don't know whether the battery is dead or not, but it should show some display. And I'm not getting any display. Okay, maybe I'll have to fix the lens on it. Right, so no, the battery is dead, so I'll have to charge it and then I'll get back for recording what firmware updates and all what it's coming with. I'll check it later on because the battery is dead. So you have seen, guys, okay, the battery is already dead, and I tried to charge it, but the camera, when I'm charging the camera, you cannot switch it on and you cannot operate, because this is the, I don't know what sort of feature is that, but I guess it will be fixed via next firmware update, or else I don't know, because you can charge it and you can use it in A7 III, but in A7 II I am seeing you cannot. So I couldn't check the firmware update or anything for that matter. I couldn't check because the battery is exhausted. It's showing the battery is exhausted, so I'll have to wait for that, and I'll record that another day. I'm keeping it that for another day. Okay, I'll give you guys my feedback and the usability, pros and cons, what are the limitations, and I'll be buying one adapter also, Sigma MC11. I already said that. So after putting that, how can I use the Canon lenses and how the autofocus is working and not, so I'll cover it in a different video. So today's video is just unboxing, and I'll end it here. So see you guys next time pretty soon, with the new firmware update and all the reviews or feedbacks which I have for you, and my user experience. And I have heard Sony has a pretty clumsy interface, so I don't know. I'll check that out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay good, take care, Godspeed, peace.